So here it is. Fireplace, big window, carpet, Kedem, and vents. That's the TV we're gonna move, and the door we're gonna paint, and that's about it. Okay, so this is actually turning out really well. We're getting ready to move, and this is kind of what we're doing. We've gotten the carpet out and getting ready to paint. It's all sanded, everything. So it's been really crazy. So, carpet. And it's all getting ready. She's doing all the corners because I am not good with that. But she's doing really, really good on that side. Yes. And then my son, he wants to paint. So he is coming over. Are you painting?
I'm painting the house.
Oh yeah, you're painting the house, aren't you?
Dad.
Do you like painting the house?
Yes.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, awesome.
Well, so we got some painting on. So the corners, we haven't got that edge yet, but we got down here, down there. I got around that a little bit, but not the ceiling, right out here. My son decided to paint that area. My wife's still painting here. Can't see it very well, but all this is kind of painted, and then there, and look at that. A clean wall. Pretty.